महिला मार्शल लोग आगे खड़े थे, तो हम उसको सरका रहे थे कि आप सरक जाइए यहाँ से, तो वो सरके नहीं, और जो पुरुष मार्शल थे वो हमको धक्का दिए, ये गिर गई, मैं मुश्किल से बची, और फिर हम मेल जो
आप ये कह रहे हैं कि मेल मार्शल ने आप लोग को धक्का दिया, ये कह रही हैं आप?
हाँ, मैंने हाथापाई बिल्कुल नहीं किया, मेरी सांसद नीचे गिर गई थी, उसको बचाने के लिए मैंने उस महिला मार्शल को खींचा ताकि मेरी सांसद बच जाए।
This is not the point. And Dr. Anand Ranganathan, I want to ask you, who's responsible for this, and are we at all accountable to this girl, to this lady marshal, this woman on duty in parliament, or not? Or is it only going to be about the privileged members of parliament? Is it always going to be taking care of their concerns, their politics, their vote banks? Because when they want to talk about Kisans, there is a competition between the Aam Aadmi Party MP and the Congress MP climbing on tables. When it is the question of OBC bill, which is a vote bank issue, they will all sit down. They will all listen. They will all pass the bill. They will debate for 5 hours. But when it comes to anything else, well, it's my way or the highway, as stated by Mr. Piyush Goyal. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, in all of this, does the public, does the Janata, does the, majority of this country matter at all? Or are we just pawns used once in 5 years?
No, good evening, Navika. You're absolutely right. We are just pawns. We are being made fools of. And these politicians cutting across party lines are making fools of us. But first of all, I have to say that I hope Ms. Bhatt is safe, and I was absolutely outraged at what happened to her. I hope she's recovered. And anybody who has indulged in this kind of assault has to be booked by the police, period. There is no two ways about it.
And the justification by a senior member of parliament?
Not only that, I was just coming to that, Navika. Now you see how insurmountably difficult the problem is when even on your show, forget about the House of Parliament, even on your show we had parliamentarians who were justifying and rationalizing this kind of assault. They were saying, why don't you look at the reasons for this assault? I mean, I am just absolutely dumbfounded. So, I think this will continue because, with due respect to Professor Sinha, every time you rightfully condemn what the opposition's behavior is, you also should spell out what BJP's behavior is whenever it is in opposition. And I can give you countless examples. The more recent one is in Rajasthan on August 25th, 2020, when BJP MLAs, egged on by Mr. Rathore, who's an MLA in Rajasthan Assembly, rushed to the well of the House, confronted the marshals there. There was hatapai. The House was adjourned 5 times. Or shall we go back to the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly when one MLA, Mr. Engineer, was thrashed by BJP MLAs? So this is cutting across party lines. If we do not condemn this unequivocally, and punishment, Navika, please just give me 10 seconds. You see, what is the punishment right now? It's either monetary, 500 rupees ka daily allowance hata diya, or it is suspension, 10 din ke liye suspend. They don't care. उनको डराना है, डर का माहौल के लिए you need to curtail their term. If any member indulges in this kind of hooliganism or assault, his 5-year term or 6-year term has to be truncated by 3 months, period. तब देखो कैसे डर के चुपचाप बैठेंगे.
Only 3 months?
4 months.
Only 3 months for assaulting a lady marshal? 3 months?
Let that be a start, Navika. Let that be a start.
Mr. Ilangovan.
Before I come out to you, I just want to bring in Shehzad Poonawalla for 30 seconds. Yes. Please allow me. Please allow me, and I'll come right back to you. Shehzad Poonawalla, what do you make of Dr. Javed's explanations here?
Look, Rahul, I think that the prefix of honorable today does not apply to these MPs, the kind of behavior that they've come and done in Parliament. And look at the elitism. The elitism strikes on the fact that even though you have video evidence, you have a report by the Rajya Sabha saying what exactly was done with the marshals, including throttling and choking the marshals. Here these MPs sit that, and they say that just because we have said something, it should be believed, but something that is on tape should not be believed, merely because it happened to a female marshal. So is the medical report that Times Now put out wrong? Is the video evidence put out wrong? And if you are right, Mr. Javed, why don't you put out your side of the evidence? You haven't been able to substantiate one claim you you've made since last evening. And the real reason, Rahul, is this is not about them dancing on the table. They'll dance on the table till the time they do not get to sit on the right chair. This is not about the rule book. This is about who will rule. And therefore, this kind of behavior, this is not disruption or even dharna. This is desecration of Parliament. And just one question that needs to be answered is that what circumstances justify
Navneet Rana and Zafar Islam. Okay, Zafar Islam.